When I first started working with Tableau, I'd occasionally build visualizations that looked like this. And I'd think to myself, why are these numbers piled on top of each other? Why is that even a thing in this application? What I didn't understand was the relationship between measure names and measure values. Measure names are meant to delineate measure values. In this case, if I place measure names on the row shelf, you can see the delineation. Let's dig a little deeper. Both fields, that is, both measure names and measure values, are made-up fields. In other words, Tableau just makes them up whenever you point to a data set. Measure names is classified as a dimension, and like any other dimension, it's made up of members. Only the members of measure names are defined by rows in the underlying data set. Rather, the members of measure names are defined by the names of the measures in the data set. Measure values is a holding tank for all the aggregated measures in the data set. If I have measures called profit and sales and discount, they're all going to display on the same location in the view, unless I use measure names to delineate the view. This comes in really handy when creating a side-by-side bar chart. Imagine that I want one bar to display sales, and right next to it I want a second bar displaying profit. I can use measure names to delineate rows and colors and easily create this view.